Hey guys, Alfredo here with Alfredo's Auto Glass, and today I want to share with you guys, I got this kit, WKT 1843. This is from PRP Precision, and I'm really excited to use it. So, you know, sometimes you run into cases where you're into this dilemma where the glue comes undone from the molding, and then you have to re-glue it. But I mean, I don't want to deal with that in this case. I don't want to glue it down. So I'm happy I have the kit. And the kit, so I bought the whole kit that comes with the undersided molding, and then it comes, so let me show you what it comes with. So first of all, it comes in this big box, and in this box you have the two upper moldings, which is this one from the right side, and then of course the left side as well. They come really nice package. So as you can see, you know, this one's to stretch really easy. So I'm really happy with the packaging. So these are the upper moldings, and it also comes with the lower moldings. And I honestly can't tell the difference from the original and PRP. So I'm really happy, really excited. I fit it and see how it fitted. It fits really nice. So first I'm gonna show you the unpacking, then I'm gonna show you when I'm installing it. So the other good thing, that it comes with the clips. So you pretty much have everything you need. So it's very convenient. So I'm gonna install one side, and then when I'm ready to install the other side, I'm gonna record it and share with you guys my technique on how to install this molding. So we'll be right back. All right guys, so I already got the other side in. Now I'm gonna get this other side in. But first I wanna show you how these clips go. So there's definitely the right way and the wrong way of putting it in. So there's a little slot right here, and that's obviously the stop, so that you don't put it through all the way. So on this case, I would slide it down. I'm using a fast cure urethane, so it requires primer. So I already went ahead and put primer here on the molding. So this one's ready, because of course you want to let it sit for a little bit of time so that it bonds properly, just like if you're installing the windshield. And then the guides right here fit really nicely. Make sure that the guides are in all the way. That's what I'm inspecting right now. There it is. So you don't want it over tight, this molding, because what could happen is that if you over tight it, then it cracks really easy. And it's not going to come off. The bolts, they will not come off because of the plastic. So and I know how, I am very familiar with my drill, so I know the amount of power that it has. Be very careful that your clips are all the way in, because if you left one off and it's not all the way in, when you're ready to put your molding in, you're gonna have problems putting it in. So in this area, I go in here a little bit away from where the butyl tape is gonna go. The butyl tape on the other molding. So I normally put in these three little spots right here, but I already know where they go, and that's why I primer. You see, I went towards the inside of the molding. If you go too far out, then it squeezes out, and you don't want to see that urethane squeezing out. So remove this tape on the bottom, and then remove the upper one right here, just so that you can see. And this is my technique that has been very helpful. Put the bottom in, excuse me. Put the bottom in first, right here. Guide it, align it along the fender. So if you don't start on the bottom first, then you can't get it in. I mean, you have to push it underneath the fender, and that could be some trouble sometimes. So as you can see, I'm gonna start snapping this one's in. You heard that? Those are the clips going in. And then this one right here, as I'm going towards the top, I'm holding this center in this little corner, I'm pushing it in, guiding it. Okay, now that this is flush right here, I could come back in. Push the clips in. So now I'm just making sure that every clip, you see, both sides of the clip into the upper molding. You don't want to exaggerate and crack the molding, so just be gentle. So you want to make sure that your windshield is centered correctly, because what happens is if the windshield is not centered correctly, then your molding is not overlap over the glass correctly, and it's going to be lifting up. So make sure you center the glass correctly so that this molding is nicely flush and you don't have any trouble after the installation. So that's it, guys. I'm very happy with these moldings. Highly recommend it from PRP. So get yours now, and I'm happy with mine, and hopefully little techniques help you guys in your installation. Thanks for following. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. God bless.